Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're taking Algebra 1, preparing for a quiz or test, or you just want to improve your math skills, you're in the right place. Today, we are learning how to solve two-step equations using a simple method that works every time. Let's do a recap on what we learned on Algebra 1. X plus 5 is equals to 12. We said to solve this question, to get the value of x, you will take 12, then 5, you will take it to the other side. Minus 5. Minus 5. Now let's discuss about two-step equations. An example is 2x plus 5 is equals to 17. Now look at the equation. Is it exactly the same as the one we just did above? No. This one has two operations. First, the variable is multiplied by 2 and then 5 is added. Since there are two operations, it is called a two-step equation. To solve the two-step equations isn't hard. We simply undo the operations one at a time using inverse operations. Let's solve our first example together. We'll start by making 2x the subject. So we will have 2x. We will have 2x is equal to 17. Then we take the positive 5 to the other side. It changes sign to minus 5. Therefore, 2x is equals to 17 minus 5, which is 12. So 2x is equals to 12. How do we get the value of x? We divide both sides by 2, such that when we simplify, we'll have our value of x as 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So 6 is our first answer. Let's look at example 2. 3x plus 7 is equals to 22. We apply the same concept. So we make 3x the subject. It will be 3x is equal to 22. Then the positive 7, when you take it to the other side, it changes sign to negative 7. Therefore, we will be having 3x is equals to 22 minus 7 is 15. To get the value of x, we divide both sides by 3, so that after simplifying, our value of x will be 15 divided by 3, which is 5. So 5 is our answer. Let's look at example 3. 4x minus 8 is equals to 20. The same concept. We make 4x the subject. We equate it to 20. Then the minus 8 crosses the equal sign. It will change the negative sign to positive. So plus 8. Therefore, 4x is equals to 20 plus 8 is 28. To get the value of x, we divide both sides by 4. Then after simplifying, we'll have our value of x as 28 divided by 4, which is 7. So 7 is our answer. Let's look at example 4. 5x minus 15 is equals to 10. Check on how we are solving. We make 5x the subject. Therefore, 5x is equals to 10. The minus 15 crosses the equal sign. It will change the sign to positive. Therefore, plus 15. So, 5x is equals to 10 plus 15, which is 25. To get the value of x, we divide both sides by 5. So, after simplifying, the value of x will be 25 divided by 5 is 5. So 5 is our answer. Let's look at example 5. 6x plus 9 is equals to 45. The same concept, we make 6x the subject. It will be 6x is equals to 45. We take the positive 9 to the other side. It will change sign to minus 9. Therefore, 6x is equals to 45 minus 9 is 36. To get the value of x, we divide both sides by 6. So, after simplifying, the value of x will be 36 over 6 is 6. 6 is our answer. Let's look at example 6. 8x minus 24 is equals to 40. We make 8x the subject. It will be 8x is equals to 40. When negative 24 crosses the equal sign, it will change to positive. Therefore, it will be plus 24. So, 8x is equals to 40 plus 24 is a 64. To get the value of x, we divide both sides by 8. So, after simplifying, the value of x will be 64 divided by 8 is 8. 8 is our answer. Let's look at example 7. 7x plus 14 is equals to 49. We make 7x the subject. Therefore, 7x is equals to 49. When 14 crosses the equal sign, it will become minus 14. Therefore, 7x is equals to 49 minus 14 is 35. To get x, we divide both sides by 7. After simplifying, the value of x will be 35 over 7 is 5. So, 5 is our answer. Let's look at the guided practice. So, you can solve this by yourself. Solve this by yourself. The answer should be, the value of x should be 6. You can try it out. Okay, let's work out together now. 2x is equal to 20. When you take the positive 8 to the other side, it will change sign to minus 8. So, 2x is equals to 20 minus 8 is 12. Therefore, to get x, we divide both sides by 2. After simplifying, the value of x will be 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, 6 is our answer. You can try this other guided practice. 9x plus 18 is equals to 81. The value of x must be 7. You can try it. Let's solve it now. The same process. 9x is equals to 81. When you take 18 to the other side, we are taking 18 to the other side, it will be minus 18. The sign changes. We have changed the sign. So, 9x is equals to, so 81 minus 18 is 63. To get x, we divide both sides by 9. After simplifying, the value of x is 7. That's where we got our 7 from. You can try out this challenge question. 14x minus 28 is equals to 98. So, from here, let me give you the answer. The answer should be, the value of x should be 9. So, using the same procedure, you can work out the equation. If this lesson helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss the next Algebra 1 lesson. Next time, we learn how to solve multi-step equations. So make sure you join us. If you're also looking for extra help in school, I also offer live online tutoring for students in the United States and around the world for both mathematics and science, for middle school and high school, college levels also. See you in the next video. Bye.